Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to create cute little file folder pockets for your journal. These are multiple pockets. I'll share two different styles with you today. So the first one is this little pocket. It's a double pocket, and it's just got the pockets are closed off, so they're just little tuck spots. And then I've made some that have 3 pockets, which I will share with you later in the video. And then I created this other one that's 2 pockets, but this pocket, the little tab, holds the edge of this pocket. So you take out the ephemera and this opens up and it becomes a journal spot. So these would be so cute to just put on a page in your journal. So I'm going to show you how to make those. You'll need a little bit of jute or a cute little button or something like that to put on there. Decorate it up a little bit however you like. You could put lace along the bottom, or there's lots of different ways that you could do these. I've kept them pretty simple for this video, but anyway, the File Folder Fun is the name of the digital kit. It's available for a free download in my Etsy shop. And then the cute little flower bits that you see that I'm going to be putting in the pockets, and the little stamps, these are hand drawn by me, and I've colored them, and then I put those into a free digital download as well, so you can have a very similar look to these or create your own if you want to. I just did those are called accidental doodles, and I just was in a car accident, had some time on my hands, so I created page after page after page of these cute little flowers, colored them up with my watercolors, and then I thought I'd put them into a digital kit. So both of those are available in the digital freebie section in my Ko-fi shop. That's Yvette's Junk Journal shop in Ko-fi. So let's go ahead and put some elements into this one so you can kind of see how it comes together. You'll see the other pockets up around here. I've already inked them and cut them out so that you didn't have to see that on camera and wait for me to do that. So I just put one of the little stamps in there that I made. You can put in however many you want, as long as, of course, it's enough to hold it. And just tuck those in various places. Maybe we'll do a different color here. So just tuck those in. You can put a little note in there, all kinds of different things you could do. Switch out something if you don't want that in there and you want something else. So they'll just come together really quickly. And then, of course, you need to put a little decoration on there. You don't have to, but I like to. So I'm just using a little bit of fabric tack, and this is a piece of jute that I've made into a little bow. So I really like how those turned out. I'll show you some more examples when we get to the end of the video here. But I just wanted to pull together and show you how I make a 3 pocket. So if you have a 2 pocket, you can pick a bigger or smaller pocket to put on there. If you have a 3 pocket, you can color coordinate them like I did here, or you can mix and match the patterns, which you'll see in some of the other ones that I'll be showing you. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. If you wanted to glue down the pockets first, on each side, and then put them on there, sometimes that's more conducive depending on where you place them. Other times it's easier to glue down this element and then glue the pocket down, and that's usually how I do it, just so that then I can have a little better control over where I'm putting the glue to attach this pocket to, or this file folder to this one. So biggest decision is figuring out how you want them. You can make them like a little cascade kind of, tearing off. You can line them up more straight. You can line them up, put one over here. You can angle them. It's kind of like I wanted to break up the pink on here, so you have the darker pink and the darker pink here with the lighter in the middle. So I think that's how I'm going to do this one. And then, like I said, if you just come in with your glue And I just kind of lift this up and put glue down about where it's going to be. You can always go back and add, oops, a little bit more glue later. So I just kind of tack that on there. And you'll get a feel as you go along for where that glue needs to go. And then you'll want to come back in and make sure that bottom part is stuck. So we can do this. Now, if you wanted to make this a fold down, then we need to decide now, kind of, because you're going to put the little tab on here, and we need to make this far enough up or down to hold this corner in like this, and you want to be able to tuck it in easily. So if this is the case and we're going to make this into a journal spot, I go ahead with my distress ink and just ink up the whole inside so it's all consistent. You'll notice, like here, I only inked on the top. I didn't ink all the way around. Not necessary because you're not going to see it, but this you're going to see. So I just kind of come in here, and you could stencil this, be really cute. Put a little stencil in there so you have some interest. And then the little label we're going to put up here. You can distress the label if you would like to, and then that'll just tuck right in there. So I kind of eyeball it. It's going to come right across from this tab, or this little bump out kind of across. And that's just how I figure that out. Sorry about that. So I just kind of come across, put some glue on there, and then I come back with my finger and kind of push that over so it's not going to come out onto my fold out. Then I just tuck that on there like this, and then that becomes a little tuck spot there. So there's that one. And then we'll come up here, and we want this one to be about in here. So again, I just kind of eyeball it, come in with my glue. Then we can come all along the edge down here, kind of up into the area that's going to be glued down. Then we come back in here. I always glue the small flap rather than trying to figure out where the glue goes here. Just glue the sides here. Got a little bit more on there than I wanted. Then this just folds up, and attach that down, and you have your little pocket. Then we need to make sure, you want to go down the sides, make sure that's really well adhered, and then we just need to glue the final pocket here. So again, glue on each side. Gonna come up. And just glue that down. And I just go around, press everything down, make sure that it's all secured on there. And then we're going to come back, and in this one, we're going to put a little button on there. So, you could put that up here. We've got to put our word on there. You could put it down here if you wanted, kind of like that. Keep in mind, anything you put on here would need to be thinner if you're going to pop it down and right on there. So I think I'm going to put it right up here in the corner. Everything's better with a little white button, right? I love little white buttons. So we're going to have that. Then we'll write a word in there. Alright, so there's our completed pocket, again with a little pull down for the tuck spot. Then we're going to go ahead and fill this one up. tucking things in as you feel you'd want to. Maybe I'll put something else in there. So yeah, this is a fun little project. Everything is ready to go for you once you print the kits off, so it's just a matter of cutting everything out and tucking it in. So I find it to be very fun to create these. So I'm going to pull in here as I finish this one up. I'm going to pull in a couple other examples for you so you can see how that came together. So wouldn't that be so cute on the page in a journal? And I'll show you some other ones that I made here. So there's this one, double pocket. We've got that one, this one, a couple more here. So you could just decorate these up as you want. I'd love to see how you guys use it. So if you get inspired by this and are a content creator, I hope that you would share and link back to this video or to my shop where you can find these kits. So again, that is File Folder Fun and Accidental Doodles is the name of the kit. They're available in the digital freebie section in my shop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will link a video to the complete kit for this and also for the file folder. So if you want to go back and see exactly what you're getting in those kits, you'll have that in the description box here below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.